Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I am going to show you how can you add links to your YouTube channel. As for demo, you can see here I have already added an Instagram link here. So after watching this video you will also be able to add social media links to your YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's start our video. But before going further into video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe it for more updates. Now to add social media links to your YouTube channel, you have to go to your YouTube studio and then go to the customize channel, or you can directly go there by clicking on the customize channel button. After coming to this page, go to the basic info section, and in the bottom you can see there is a link option. You can add link here. So now click on the add link button and enter the title. Here you can enter anything. You can either enter your name or your or whatever you want. So I'm going to enter Instagram, and here paste your link. After doing this, click on the publish button to publish this, and now your link has been added to your YouTube channel. You can also add many links as you want, and just below the link section you can see here some settings about like links on banner. You can choose how many links you want on your banner. There is a maximum limit of 5. So this was all about how can you add links to your YouTube channel. And if you like the video, then do subscribe us.